about the brewery. We are in Brass Works Brewing Company in Waterbury, Connecticut, where there's going to be an awesome show happening, and I still wonder who's playing. So, I'm trying a beer. This is the Edison. It's a light beer with the gluten removed. So 4.6. Amazing, light, I really like it. It's crisp, refreshing, delicious, and guess what? Stay tuned, because I'm going to have more, and let's see how the night goes. And welcome to another episode of Brewery. We're with Kurt from Dismantled Records, who does awesome things. You have to check him out. Cheers. What are you drinking?
This is the Fouled Up New England IPA from Brass Works.
This is live.
Yeah. So that's Fouled Up?
Yeah, this is the Fouled Up one.
Tell me what you think.
It's actually really good.
Nice.
It's pretty refreshing, especially after a 3-hour drive.
Hell yeah. Now what do you have?
I haven't
Maybe
and it's spicy, but it could be spicy.
It can be spicy. He likes it spicy.
Get halfway through it. Get halfway through it.
And get halfway through it. You're gonna feel it. Yeah. So we're having a punk rock show and ska show happening, and and thank you for coming and
absolutely.
A record that's called Found Dead. We're excited.
Found Dead 7-inch. Can't wait.
And it's gonna be great, and we have beers and music and more beer. So stay tuned.
Tell us more about Dismantled. What do you got in the
Tell us
works?
more about I forgot that. Thank you.
All kinds of crazy things going on with that. Unwanted Noise Decon split coming out soon. Doing the Ratz 7-inch. Bad English Sabotage split LP. Supposed to do a Blank 77 7-inch soon. Not many people know about that. We're trying to remaster some of the songs. And Dead 77, not to overcomplicate the 77s, but they're from California. We got a track with them with Dave from the Casualties and Starving Wolves. Guest vocals, it's sick. I can't wait they're gonna release it around Punk Rock Bowling, the single, so keep an eye out for that.
Cool. Where do we find you?
Instagram, Facebook, and I got a store, Envy Store, distro.
Buy some stuff.
Yeah.
Buy it all.
Distro titles, and my titles will be on there, as they come out.
Awesome. I think this is going to be good, and thank you for coming and driving.
Fun to be here,
And so we'll continue that, and also check out Dismantled Records, and cheers. Back with another beer, and we just played. I am drenched. We had to cancel our set because it was crazy and it could have been dangerous and people could die. So I am having a peach saison, 7%.
Barrel aged.
Barrel age. Thank you very much, my producer. So let's try. Wow, that hits you with peach in your face. I love that. I love that when you get something that describes what you're getting, that's what you get. So I'm going to say that this is a beer that's amazing. Keep trying it. I'm probably going to try more. This place is always going to get an A for me. I love it. You know what? Everybody should come here, have a good time, have some beers, have some flights, and guess what? More beer to come.
Brought out.
Brought out.